Okay, so hi everyone. In today's video I am going to show you how to find mod values of a number. Okay, so it is quite easy in how to find mod values. Okay, so at first I will show you what is mod. Okay, uh, I will create a new file. I'll name it as video 4.5. Okay, so at first what is a mod value? Mod.txt. So what is a mod value? So let's take 3 divided by 2, or I can say that 3 mod 2. So what is this mod? Mod is nothing but when you face this type of question 3 mod 2, it is 3 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2. So what is the remainder of 3? What is the remainder when you will divide 3 by 2? The remainder when you will divide 3 by 2 is 1. Right? Remainder is 1. When you will divide 3 by 2, the remainder is 1. So what is the value of 3 mod 2? It is nothing but the remainder of 3 divided by 2. So it is 1. When next question, let's say that 6 mod 4. So what is the value of 6 mod 4? 6 mod 4 is nothing but 6 divided by 4. Okay. The remainder when 6 is divided by 4 is 2. So 6 mod 4 is nothing but 2. Okay. Let's take one more example. 25 mod 25. What is 25 mod 25? Or what is 6 mod 6? Or what is 5 mod 5? What is 5 mod 5? Or what is 25 mod 5? Okay, change this to 25 mod. So when you will divide 25 with 25, when you divide 25 with 25 divided by 25, what is the remainder? What is the remainder? Remainder is, what is the remainder? It is 0, right? So when you divide 25 divided by 25, the remainder is always 0. And what is the remainder when you divide 6 by 6? What is the remainder when you divide 6 by 6? So when you do 6 by 6, it is also 0. The remainder is 0, right? So and in case of 25 mod 25, when you divide 25 divided by 25 divided by 5, the remainder is also 0, because 5 into 5 is 25, so remainder is also 0. So what is the value of 25 mod 25? It is 0. And in the case of 6 mod 6, it is also 0. Okay. And in case of 25 mod 25 mod 5, it is also 0. So you have to remember, if there is a remainder, and what is the value of the remainder is nothing but mod. So now in case of video 4, we are trying to find out the mod of some values. Okay. So let us take okay, so I am taking 25 and b equals to 5. Okay, so print, I'm just directly writing. Okay, so what I am doing is finding remainder. So remainder equals to 25. So in case of Python, you cannot write mod like this. You cannot do that. So there is a specific symbol for mod. The specific symbol for mod is this percentage. So 25 mod 5. Okay, now I will write print then. So what will be the output? As you know, the output should be 0. So I run it, see the output is 0. So what I can write is that the mod value of A and B is this. Okay, so I'll run it again. It is okay, what is that? What is a comma? So I'll run it. Let me just see, let's see, and I'll run it again. See, the mod value of A and B is 0. See, now what if I want to change the A and B values? I'll directly change this to user input. So let me take int input. If you leave, if you will not write anything over here, it will not show. Okay, enter number one. Enter number one. Okay, so in this case I am not writing anything inside the input, so I'll just write this. Okay, I'll not write anything inside. See, you have to understand whether, see, see how how to understand this one. See, when I run this, it will first show this one, enter and number one. Okay, so enter number one is 5. Okay, when I press enter, see, it is not showing anything because inside this input I did not wrote anything, but there is a input pattern, so I'll write over here 2. So 5 mod 2. Now the value of B is 2. See, the mod value of A and B is 0. See there, oh sorry, remainder is 25. I should not write like this. A mod B. Okay, there was an error over there. I did not change this. Okay, see, enter number 1 is 5, and in case of, as I did not wrote anything inside this bracket, so it is not showing anything. And in this case I wrote, in this include bracket I wrote enter number 1, so that is why it is showing enter number 1. And in this one I did not wrote anything, that is why it is not showing anything, but there is an input field. So I'll just click over here and I'll write 2, and then I will enter. See, the mod value of A and B is 1. 5 mod 2. So 5 mod 2 is 1, as you know. 2 2 is a 4. So the nearest number which goes to 5 is 4, and the remainder is 1. So in this case 5 mod 2 is 1. What if I write inside enter? See, next time when I write over here enter another number, when I write it like this, okay, it will show. See, okay, let me write CLS, CLS. Okay, now I run it again. Just run it again. See, enter number 1. Enter number 1 is let me take enter number 1 is 6, and 6 mod enter. Now in this time, inside of this input I wrote this value, this one, enter another number, that is why it is showing enter another number. But if I will not write anything, it will not show anything. You just have to understand there is input field. So enter number 2 is 3. So 6 mod 3 is 0. So mod is 0. The value is 0. Okay, that's all for now. Okay, now let me okay, leave it. I will teach you in next class.